it was different. It was more. I am a scientist, and I just love this perfect blend between science, real science. It's not just a Buddha thing or just only a soul thing, which I also believe, but I love that we could go through books and look at anatomy and give specific names to processes in the body. I just love that I can relate to something tangible, and then I can also interpret. So I just love this blend of soul and real knowledge that has been proven, and also playfulness. So it was for me the perfect blend of all these components. The sacredness of being in a female circle, because I witnessed so many miracles. I witnessed how in myself, for example, maybe I was a little bit closed, but then something started opening up and my heart was opening up, and I could also see it in other sisters in the circle. And it was just so beautiful that through our collective minds and wounds, we can open up and help heal each other. So I think the idea of sisterhood and the circle in this sisterhood, it was beautiful. That was one of the best things for me. I really like the feeling in your body. I love to give them this gift that you have given us of taking time, breathe, and just feel your body, feel the connection with earth or with the floor, feel your space in the room, in the city, in the world, in the space, and then just come back to yourself and then express it to movement. For me, movement is very healing, and that's what I want to do in the future with my students. I want to bring students to heal themselves with movement. I was intimidated when I decided to come, because I am a woman in my 40s, and I was thinking, oh, but maybe I'm too old to do this. But I think that is for women of all ages that want to give themselves permission to explore their connection to themselves, and that are aching or wanting or are lacking this idea of connecting with themselves. So for all ages, you just need to have this passion, this desire to connect with yourself, because you know you have you, and maybe you sometimes don't hear yourself. But if you want to explore this and hear yourself and have a space in a safe environment to hear and hear yourself, this is for that woman. I just feel very grateful. I feel very grateful with you for holding this beautiful space. I feel very grateful for all the women that came. Even for the room here, it's so beautiful. We have a beautiful energy here. So I'm very grateful for this moment. So thank you.